Change your life. Watch this video regarding making money online tips and tricks. Many people make money through the internet. Opportunities to make money online are increasing, but not everything you see out there is worth your efforts. You have to have some clue to what you go about doing if you really want to be successful on the internet. Check out that information below. Remember, making money online is a long-term game. Nothing happens overnight when it comes to online income. It takes time to build up your opportunity. Don't get frustrated. Work at it every single day, and you can make a big difference. Persistence and dedication are the keys to success. Sell some of the junk that you have around the house on eBay. You do not have to pay to set up an account and can list your product any way that you want. There are many different training sites that you can use to get started the right way on eBay. If you love to draw, you can sell some of the photography that you create on the web. Initially, you may want to post your goods on Craigslist or a smaller site to get the word out and see if people will bite. If there is a high following, you can move to a more prominent site. Consider the things you already do, be they hobbies or chores, and consider how you can use those talents online. If you make your children clothing, make 2 of each and sell the extra on the internet. Love to bake? Offer your skills through a website and people will hire you. Use the skills you have in writing to come up with an ebook that can be sold online. You can share your creativity to others who are interested in what you have to say, while earning cash at the same time. One good subject to write an ebook about is recipes. Check out the reviews before you hang your shingle at any one site. For example, working for Google as a search result verifier is a legit way to make some extra cash. Google is a huge company and they have a reputation to uphold, so you can trust them. As you may already know, earning money online can be a great opportunity. If you know how to do it properly, you can succeed at earning additional income. You might even be able to replace a full-time income. Learn more about making money online and start earning today. Student loan.